Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So AMC reaches all-time high again. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys my opinion on if I believe AMC is gonna make it back to its all-time high and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. AMC ended the day at $23.64, guys. It's looking good. AMC ended the day right near resistance, giving us that strong sign of confirmation that going into tomorrow we can continue to see a bullish uptrend for AMC in the overall stock market, guys. We know AMC hit a high today of $23.80. We closed at 23.64, giving us an easy opportunity to go up and retest that 23.80, being for the fact that it's only 16 cents away. So once we go up and retest that resistance, guys, we already broke through the main resistance, which was 23, closed and held up above it very well. Also, we stayed above $20. They tried everything to get us under 20. Yesterday, when the stock market was falling, prior to CPI inflation data report being reported, AMC was holding firm, holding steady, not budging one bit. Even though it came down from that 27.50, it still didn't budge one bit because that just happened for a gap fill. That just opened happening because we closed over 22. And I told you guys for us doing that, we could possibly open up big to fulfill that gap fill up to around $28, but it hit 27.50 in the pre-market. So after that, it will sell off a bit, come down, test, find true support, and then we'll bounce right back up after that, guys. So as we know, we got a lot in store for AMC right now. AMC still got the special dividend that's coming out 1 for 1 for every one AMC share. A special dividend called APE will be issued, guys. So like I told you guys, this could definitely bring the cat up out of the bag and exposing them. But we will see, guys. A lot of people believe otherwise. Some people didn't agree with it. Some people said it was a bad idea and all that good stuff. But anyways, to go ahead and get the point across of the video, do we believe AMC will reach the all-time high again? So as we know, the all-time high from the media, they say AMC hit 72. But for the ones that was watching like a hawk, like myself and some others, we know it hit as high as $77 in the pre-market. So do I believe AMC could get there? Guys, for starters, if we really went up to our max potential whenever we did run up to $77 during that time, that was really a drop in the bucket. It was a, crazy come up, a crazy spike in price action, but it really wasn't nowhere near what AMC supposed to have done if it wasn't being manipulated, rerouting all our orders, buy orders, the buying pressure, rerouting all those orders through the dark pool. Over 60% of retail buying orders was sent through the dark pool, and just having the selling pressure on the opening market, making the price steady come down and, hurting the price action of AMC. But if AMC could have reached its full potential, it would have been hard saying, yeah, we're going to get back to the all-time high. But being for the fact that our all-time high was only $77, only $70, I do believe, without I ain't gonna say without a doubt, because we know it's still risky business. Being for the fact that this not a play we getting involved in and seeing it's gonna go there because of the fundamental aspects and because of this and because of that. This is a play that we in and we seeing is gonna go there because of the people behind it, the retail investors not giving up, still here after this long period of time, still here. With that being said, I'm putting, I'd had to break it down because we not want to sit here and act like this stock is a stock that we investing in it because we believe in it because of the fundamental reasons. Nah, that's why I try to tell everybody, have a plan, because this is not your regular stock. Everybody's in on this to make money, and they wants to make a lot of money out of this situation. People have high hopes, but like I said, guys, the people that's the greediest, those are the ones that get burned at the end and never see the end of the tunnel. They never see any profits, never see anything, because they set their expectations so far away that it's like only you could like dream it. And that's exactly why a lot of people will be stuck and get caught in the mix, guys. But anyways, to answer your question, I do believe we can get back to the all-time high. Because once AMC starts to turn up, guys, the all-time high could happen in a day. It could definitely happen in 3 days. It definitely could happen in a week. Not saying it's going to happen in I'm just saying that's how fast it can happen. Not saying it's going to happen today or next week, because y'all would take my words and reconstruct them. But anyways, I do believe we could get there. If you flash back to March when we was at $13, we got to $36 in a matter of 13 days. That's almost half. 36 times 2, that's roughly in the 60s, almost. What that is, that's 72. That's 72. That's the all-time high. A double up from where we was in March was the all-time high. And for us to get back to half that point in 14 days, imagine what the other 14 days, if they wouldn't have slowed us and killed momentum then, the other 14 days would have been right at the all-time high. So basically in a matter of a month, we could get back to AMC's all-time high. And it actually could come quicker than that, because once this thing get back in the 30s, the 40s, that range, that FOMO is going to heat up very, very fast. It's going to heat up very, very quick, guys. So I do honestly believe AMC could get back to the all-time high. But does that mean go and throw all your money on AMC, put everything on it because Hayes believe you can get back there? That don't mean that at all, guys. Since day one, I always told you guys, AMC should be treated as, just as any other play that just pops up. It's a meme stock. It's it's a experiment, basically. You're a scientist. You just putting something on it and hoping that it turns our money around for us. So with that being said, you want to be very smart with how much money you just throwing out there. That's why you want to put bare minimum on the line. Whatever you can risk losing, that's what you want to put on AMC. That's what you want to put on your other stock. What's the other stock? The MEGL. Now MEGL, I'm not comparing it to AMC. AMC is definitely the breadwinner. It's definitely to better pick, unless you had gotten MEGL when it first was IPO'd and then you made it 2,000%. Of course, that would be a good winner. But far as longevity standpoint, just as what I was telling you guys in the MEGL videos, as a longevity standpoint, AMC is the one. Like AMC community is going to stay behind it for years. You know what I'm saying? Now, or not, hopefully it don't go on for years, but it's already been about years. And the community is still behind it, strong, intact. I can't say the same for MEGL. MEGL. The community behind it is going to dry up. They're going to run, and they're going to run like hell. With that being said, you still want to, make sure you're smart when you're putting your money out there in these type of plays, guys. Because if you want to go all in, go crazy, YOLO, you only live once, it's way better, more stock picks out there that's going to almost guarantee you returns on your money than just, putting all your eggs in one basket on the stocks that's like a YOLO stock. You get what I'm saying? So just be smart out there, guys. Like I say, it's time to heat up. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We go.